Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's video is I am gonna do the part 3 of my Ligo challenge. If you wanna see the whole thing, just keep on watching. And yes, I am the Catwoman of this outfit. Let us start the show. Enjoy watching. Woo! Oh, tahong, magkarog-karog. I am gonna take a shower. While I'm taking a shower, I am gonna dance Tahong ni Carla. I know you are familiar with this song, so let us enjoy dancing. Woo! Party, party! I am gonna turn on the shower. I am gonna take off my hairband, okay? I am gonna wait the water until it gets warm because it's so cold, guys, as in super duper. Now it's warm. Basa na ako! enough na ang tahong ni Carla. Ako ay tapos ng maligo. Ako ay tapos ng magtahong-tahong. Okay? So, it's time for me to change. If you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe and also hit the bell and like and comment. I hope you enjoyed my show. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, Team Premier. See you on the next video. Bye!